Hello everyone. This video is about social value. Social values are a set of moral principles defined by society dynamics, institutions, traditions, and cultural beliefs. These values are implicit guidelines that provide orientation to individuals and corporations to conduct themselves properly within the social system. In business, social values are essential to maintain healthy relationship between the co-workers and between the company and the society. A company that conducts itself by contradicting well-established social values will encounter severe conflicts that will isolate the business from its consumers, and it will surely lead to disappearance since business must act towards developing benefits for society. Governments and laws normally established to preserve social values through enforcement procedures. The judiciary system and government institutions, therefore, created to maintain pro functioning. Here, these social values are the values that we learn from our parents. These values always reflect our sense of right and wrong. It helps us to grow in a well manner and create a better future for ourselves. The social values always show how we are related to the society. Is following these social values in the business always help the business organization to build better relationship within the organization as well as between the organization and the economy. If the organization is not following social value, they will be rejected by the society. It is not good for the business because business is always connected to the society. There are several government rules and regulation which always go hand in hand with the social values. Therefore, government is also trying to protect the social values. The social values usually includes the freedom or respect, empathy, justice, responsibility, etc. Features of social values. Social values provide goals and ends for members to aim for. Having goals and aims in the life is very essential for every individuals. These social values always helps the individual to have purpose in their life. Social values provide for stability and uniformities in group interactions. Here people may be different, but the values they learn from their society or parents is usually same. Therefore, it creates similarities in the mindset of these people. It helps them to provide stability and uniformity in the group interactions. Social values bring legitimacy to the rules that govern specific activities. Here these values are considered as values mainly because they are accepted by majority of the people in the society. Therefore, it brings legitimacy to the rules that govern the specific activities. Social values help to bring about some kind of adjustments between different sets of rules. Here, these social values are unwritten rules which are accepted by the society. Therefore, we can say that these social values are more flexible. Therefore, bringing some kind of adjustment or making changes in the values is very easy. These are some of the features of social values. Importance of social value. Economic progress. Social values foster economic progress in a society. The social values encourage everyone to become honest, loyal, or truthful. If everyone in the business field is honest, loyal, and truthful, it is very easy to bring fair dealings in the business world in all the walk of our life. It is very helpful to improve the economy in a better way. Social development. Social values foster social development. For instance, several industrialists and charitable institutions have shown generosity and started schools, colleges, hospitals, cultural centers for the benefit of the common people. Here, the main aim of every business is making profit. Therefore, it is not compulsory for any businessman to do anything for the society, but still there are several business people, they are coming forward to establish schools, colleges, hospitals, cultural centers, etc., mainly for benefiting the common people. This happens mainly because these business people are following social values in their life, and it is good for the society. Social relations. Social values like cooperation, tolerance, respect for seniors, etc., tend to improve social ties and relations. Here we have already seen the social values always help the organization to build better relationship within the organization as well as between the society and the organization. Here following these social values is very essential to build a better relationship. It includes some values such as cooperation and tolerance, which is very essential to build better relationship in the economy. Regional cooperation. Social values like cooperation, patriotism, and tolerance can help to mitigate the differences between regions, states, and countries. We can see misunderstandings or differences between regions, states, and countries. This is very common, but following or having social values always help the society to mitigate these imbalance or differences that is existing between different regions, states, or countries. The cooperation and patriotism are very important social values which help the organization to have a better cooperated society. Love and peace, happiness. Values like respect for others, cooperation, tolerance, development a bond of togetherness. Here, having love, peace, and happiness in the economy is very helpful to have a better life. Standard of living. Values of perfection and excellence enables people to develop new methods, procedures, and techniques. As a result, new better products, services become available in the market. This ultimately lead to rising standard of living. Here, these social values always include some aspects such as excellence or creativity or cooperation. This always helps the individual to come up with new products, which always leads to improve in the standard of living of people of the society. These are some of the importance of social values, that is economic progress, social development, social relations, regional cooperation, love, peace, and happiness, standard of living. Now, advantages of social value. Historical values are promoted. One of the important advantage of social value is that cultural values from the past can be sustained in the present. These social values are the values which are extracted from the culture and tradition of the economy. Here, following these social values always help to protect this culture and tradition of our society. People can be kept under control. Social values are unwritten rules instead of strict laws that people have to comply with in order to in order not to get punished. Yet many people still conform to those social norms since they feel it is the right thing to do. If the law and rules are imposed forcefully on the people, they prefer to break these law and rules because they may not feel comfortable to follow these rules and regulations because they are imposed forcefully on them. But social values are not the values which are forcefully imposed on the individuals. They are just informed to the individuals by their parents. Most of the times people prefer to follow these rules and regulations because they feel it is right thing to do. Therefore we can say it can help the people to be under control. Induce people to stop bad habits. Another advantage of complying with social value is that people may be more willing to stop bad habits. Social values always encourage good habits in the people, it will never encourage people to have bad habits. Following these social values always encourage the people to leave their bad habits and become better individuals. These are the advantages of social values, that is, historical values are promoted, that is, these social values help to protect the historical values of the society. People can be kept under control. Here, these are not the values which are forcefully imposed on the people. These values are those values which people feel right to follow. Induce people to stop bad habits. Social values always encourage people to leave bad habits and become good individuals. Disadvantages of social values. Loss of individuality. One big problem of social value is that they often lead to complete loss of individuality. If people have comply with the social norms, they have to comply with what society thinks is the right way to go. Here, social values are the set of rules which are imposed by the society. If individual is following the social value, they have to follow what the society says, not what they want to do. Therefore, it reduces the individuality of the people. Lack of diversity. Social values can also be considered to be a serious enemy to human freedom. If everyone is programmed to live a certain lifestyle, all alternative lifestyles are considered to be dodgy at the same time and are devalued. Here, people may be preferred to have different lifestyles, but social value always lead the individual to follow a particular kind of lifestyle. It will not encourage different lifestyles, or it will not encourage changes in the lifestyle. Therefore, it leads to lack of diversity in the lifestyle of the individuals. Many social norms are obsolete. A high number of social norms and rules are also historical construction and no longer suitable for current state of the world. These social norms are established in the long past. They are established based on the situation that was presented at that moment, but the society has changed now. These rules and regulations which are formed by the society in the past may be considered as a obsolete one at this point because they are formed in the past. These are the disadvantages of social values, that is, loss of individuality. People cannot do what they want to do, rather they have to follow the rules which are formed by the society. It leads to lack of individuality. Lack of diversity. People cannot follow their own lifestyle, they have to follow the lifestyle fixed by the society. Many social norms are obsolete. Since they are created in the past, they are obsolete now. To conclude, we can say these social values are the values which help the individual to walk in a right path. They are extracted from the culture and tradition. Therefore, following these social values always helps us to protect the culture and tradition. They are also helpful in building a better relationship in the economy. Therefore, everyone should follow these social values in their life. It is all about social values. Thank you.